Today's Professionals brought to you by The Basement Doctor.
Hi everyone, I'm here with John Clements, the Basement Doctor.
Hi.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You have a couple of events coming up where you would like to invite the public to come out.
This Friday, we are going to be for the very first time at Findlay High School collecting food for the West Ohio Food Bank.
Okay.
So we're real excited about going up and seeing that. I believe they're the Trojans and have a pretty good season going on.
Great.
And also, our season starts this Friday with the first home show at the Seagate Center in Toledo, the Toledo Home Builders Association. It's a big show. Lots of different vendors are at it. If you've got any needs for the house, windows, roofing, things you can't even think of, it's there. Stop up and see us, and stop by the booth and say hi.
You really
The ambulance
are.
will be parked inside.
You're all over the place.
Yes. It's
Okay, so we were just talking about our flooring in the house, and I remember in my old house, for fun, we really lived the life, right? We used to set something on one end of the kitchen, not touch it, and just watch it roll to the other side of the kitchen.
Yeah.
What does that mean is happening?
Usually your floor has settled, and it can be corrected, which is the whole point of this little talk here. We can get in and re-level floors and adjust the house, kind of like taking it to a chiropractor.
Okay.
But I have seen little kids that set their Hot Wheel cars just right, so just as it's about to stop, it hits that slope in the floor, so that they can see what distance they get and things like that. If you have the unlevel house, the unlevel floors, we've got numerous ways of fixing it. Give us a call. It's a free estimate.
Cost effective, I'm sure.
Yes.
And it doesn't matter what time of the year.
No, we do it 52 weeks out of the year.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, John. Thanks so much for being here. Thanks, everyone. Give John a call. Stop and see him in Findlay or in Toledo. Have a great day.